and let's say continue. Let's continue the session. Let's continue the session. So okay guys, so we seen that okay, different type whenever we are making the different request, right? So we seen that how we can create the object, but means what, this is the purpose of what, making the request, right? Using a Spring MVC, right? So we will get the response also, right?
Yes.
If we
Yes,
make the
Ravi.
request, we will get, we get the response also, na? Come on.
Yes.
Yes,
We
Ravi.
receive
Yes,
response.
correct.
Okay, so if we want to get the if we get the response, right? If we get the response, right? So what is the response object now, guys? What is the MVC result, right? Is MVC result. That response object name is what? That response object name is what? MVC
MVC
result.
result.
Yes, MVC what? MVC result. Result, right? This in this using what, MVC result, what it's having what, multiple object, but what is the usable method object we have, right? Those method we will see, that's it. Okay, so now one method is there, that method name is what, where we will get the response object, that method name is, that class object name is what, mock http servlet servlet request. Using this one we are making the request, right? This is the one object. Another object name is what,
Mock HTTP servlet response.
yes, mock http servlet request, right? Response.
Yes, Ravi.
Mock servlet response. Response, right? After that another one more object is there, and one more object is there, that object name is what, exception. Object name is what, exception, right? So but to performing what, a response object. For that purpose we are using what, MVC result. So exception, right? So don't worry, I will show that one also, right? So now let's work on fully forget about that last session. Just that is the overview knowledge, and what is the, why we are using the Spring mocking, why we are mocking the object. For that purpose I created all those things as a dummy, guys. Okay, but now let's finally work on what, our project area now, guys. So okay, fine,
Mini
good.
project.
Yes, so everyone remember this mini project, right? Product management mini project we created, right? When we are learning what, Spring REST module. Come on, Spring Boot REST module.
Yes, remember.
Okay,
Yes.
Yes,
good.
Ravi.
So
Remember.
we will in that we will test our what, product controller, right? Product controller we will test it, guys. Okay, so okay, fine. So we don't have need to add any dependency, because whenever we are using that web Spring starter, right, at the time by default that one also, whenever we are creating this project, right, Spring Boot project, at the time itself only the dependency will add, right? The dependency will add. We don't have need to add explicitly in Spring Boot project, right? Good. So I want to show that one. Yeah, see, this is the dependency, right? Already our application is added this dependency.
Yes, Ravi.
Okay, fine. So now good. So first we have need to write, if we want to, we have need to do one time setup, guys. If we want to test our controller, right? If we want to test our controller, so these packages are there, right? I mean, where we wrote our API, these are the API only, na? This is our API, na? Come on, these are whatever API we wrote.
Yes, Ravi.
Come
Yes,
on.
Ravi.
Okay, but this is the test, right? Test environment, right? This is the test folder now, where we will test it our what, application, guys. Come on.
Yes, Ravi.
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay, fine now, guys. So Good. So first we have need to do what's one time setup, guys. Okay, enable mock environment in our application, right? So how we will enable it now? How we will enable the mock environment? Let's understand, right? Let's understand, right? Using what is that? First, what? First step. Let's understand step to step, guys. Okay, so first step. First, what we will do it now, guys? Enable what? Enable mock environment. Environment, like what is that? How you, whenever we are what enabling, like what? Mock environment, by default, what is that? Creates container, right? Container will create. We don't have need to activate what? Our containers. Container, right? Container. And what is that? Our layers object also will create. Layers classes, right? Layers classes object also will create, right? After then what? DB connection also will.
Testing
DB,
also done.
yeah, DB connection, right? This DB connection also will come what? Create, using which annotation? We have need to apply one annotation on the test case class in the web environment, in the MVC environment, guys. Okay, so what is?
Mock.
No, at the rate spring boot, at the rate spring boot, at the rate spring boot test, right? Test. This is the annotation. Inside this, what we will do now? Web environment. Web environment equal to what? Web what? Environment. Web environment dot mock. This is the annotation. Inside that we will load the this class itself only. So let's write it, guys. Okay, we have need to one time setup. We have need to do one time setup in our what project now. So where we will declare one test case classes now in our project now, guys. Come on, in the test folder now. Come on,
Test folder.
src test java, right? Come on, inside this one only we will create it now.
Yes, sir.
Now right click.
Yes, sir.
I'm creating one class now. Okay, so here what I'm taking? What? One test what? Test product management. This is the our test case class, right, guys? Come on, our test case class is ready now. So how we will enable what is that? How we will enable what is that? Enable mock environment now in this class now, guys. In this class, auto configuration, because we are going to work on what? Spring Boot MVC, Spring Boot area, right? So here we will get everything as what? Auto configuration. So for that, something we have need to apply, then our IOC container will automate those things. Nah, come on, guys.
Annotation
Yes.
at the
Yeah.
Correct.
At
With the
the
help of
rate,
annotation.
that annotation name is what? At the rate spring, at the rate
Spring
what?
Boot test.
Spring Boot test, right? Inside that, what we will do it now, guys? What we will do it now, guys?
Mock environment.
Web environment. Yes. Now
Web
web
environment dot
dot mock, right? Dot mock. Come on, guys. This is the one time setup only,
Yes,
guys.
sir.
Only one time setup. And now fine. Okay, good. So next one is what, guys? Okay, next one is what? Then what? Get what? A setup from the parent project, right? Parent project, like what is that? Parent project means what? Parent project means what? Like all those where that class name. Sorry, here what? Automate. How if we are not getting what? Parent project things, like what is that? How our what? This class is automated, then how we can test it? No, na. So what is that? So same. So means what? If we want to get the parent project like parent project things, right? Means what? 1 minute, the terminology I forgot. Yeah, like it's like all those things, whatever. No, something goes wrong. 1 minute. Yes, yes. Like what? Parent project is what? MBC application, right? And those things will be automated, right? Come on. Automated. Who will create all those things? Our like what? Our container only, na?
Container. Yes,
Container, right?
container creation.
Container only. So those things, if we want to get what, those things also in what, our test case class only. So for that what, one annotation is there, right? What, at the rate what, auto configuration, right? Auto configuration, to configure MBC, mock MBC, right? Auto configuration, auto configure mock MBC, right? So now then what will happen now? This class treated as what? This class treated as what? MBC test
Auto configure.
environment.
Test.
MBC test
Test
environment.
environment.
Yeah. So like how we
Yes.
are making,
Okay.
how we are making our class as what, configuration class? We are using what, at the rate configuration notation, na? Come on, similar way. If we want to make, right?
Yes.
If we
Yes,
want to
Ravi.
make in the Spring MBC, right? Spring Boot MBC environment, this class as what, a test case class, then what annotation we will apply? At the rate auto configuration
Auto
mock
configure.
MBC annotation.
MVC.
Then what will happen? All mocking object enabled inside this what, class? Now guys, clear?
Yes, Ravi.
Okay, so
Yes, clear.
okay, fine now guys. So now good. So okay, after then what we will do it now? Next step, right? Next step is what? Next step is what? Step is what? Common, guys. Okay, from here onward, everything is a common itself only. So what we will do it now? So 4 step we will complete, right? So every method, whatever methods are there, for the every method, common things will be there, guys. Okay, those things we will do it now, and we will test it our what, our REST controller here itself only. So for that what, for the testing method, what first we will do it now? First step is what? First one is what? Creating request. Creating request, right? So okay, good. So how we are creating the request, we learn, right? We learned already how we can create the request now, guys. So this is the step now, right? This is only like this only we are creating the
Yes.
request or not? Come on.
Get request. Yes, get
Yes,
request.
Ravi.
Okay, so now let's create the request itself only. So for that, let's what, clear it, which method we will mock first. Okay, so now the come inside that REST controller, right? Come inside this REST
Yes.
controller itself only. So our what, let's first what we will do it now, guys. So
Save
okay,
product.
no, first we have need to understand those things using what, Postman, right? Using Postman, let's understand, then we will. So first we have need to understand the property also, right? Where the property, because I forget what I took inside that property. Yeah, this is the property inside this one, what I took now. Port number 9595. Okay, good. And update we taken, right? Let's take a create here. Okay, fine. Create, and the database name is product now. Now let's open the our database also. Where the MySQL, yeah. Product is there, yeah. Here, see, this product is there, right? Inside this one table also there. Let's view one now. This is the data, right? Inside the table, these are the data. Come on,
Yes,
give
Ravi.
the response, guys.
Yes.
Give. Okay, so no, let's
Yes, yes, that is the data.
yeah, this is the data, right? So here, okay, let's take update only, right? Let's take update, because when we will start the application, by default what will happen? Our data will gone, whatever data is there, all data will gone. So currently manually let's run the our application, and we will understand the expectation, right? Expectation first.
Okay, Ravi.
So now our application is running, guys. Okay, So I want first what we will let's write the test case about this one. First, what I need to select all data. Where the method get all method? Yeah, this is the method, right? For the selecting all, right? Come on,
Yes, Ravi.
this is the method,
Yeah,
na?
slash
We
all.
don't.
Yes, Ravi.
Yes.
Slash all.
Get method.
Yeah.
All
So
products.
how we will make the request now? Means what? Get means what? Get type, right? Select means what? Get type, and what is that? Product, right? Product means what? Product and what? All, right? Come on.
All.
Now let's make the
All.
request.
Yes.
Yeah. See this? Here we are getting the data now. Come on.
Yes, Ravi.
For
Yeah.
yes, data getting.
This
Right?
is not the test application.
Yeah.
Array.
This is the not
JSON array.
using what? Like Postman. We
Sir,
are
this
Input
is-
application.
we are checking that, right? We are checking that, but we have need to write the test case also about this one, right? Because the real time what we have need to test it our API explicitly, right? Like this our own we have need to test, otherwise they will not accept, right?
Yes, Ravi.
Okay, so
Yes, correct.
so copy, I'm copying this one, and what I'm doing now, let's open the browser, Chrome browser also. No Chrome, open the Mozilla Firefox. Yeah, see this is the data, right? These are the data na, all those data from the database, those data is came na. Come on guys.
Yes, Ravi.
Okay, but
Yes.
Yeah,
But
we
he-
got the data.
Yes.
yeah, but the observe the things in the header section, right? Header section, check that what is that in the header part, right? See this one, right? 1 minute. In the header section, right?
Content type.
Object the content type. What is the
Content type
content
of
type? Application slash JSON na.
JSON.
JSON.
Yes,
JSON.
Ravi.
And observe the status code. What is the status code now, guys?
200.
200.
Okay.
True 100 means what?
Success.
Okay, successful. Our API is running, right? Based on why I'm showing
Yes, Ravi.
these things, guys. Based on this one only, we will check our what our test case, our fail or pass. Because of that, I'm showing now.
Yes.
Focus on this area. Right, so in the
Yes.
API at the time of at the time how we are writing the status code now, guys, using right HTTP status, right? Okay means what? Successful. Come on. And what like
200.
creating object,
Successful.
create means what? Two not one, right? Come on, based on this,
Yes.
give
Yes,
the
Ravi.
give the response, guys.
Yes, Ravi. Yeah.
Yeah, good. So
Yeah,
fine now.
success. Okay.
Okay, so here good. So here what? Just but here we are testing our API using what? Postman, but we have need to write the unit test, right? Unit test about that what? Our API, right?
Yes, correct.
Okay,
Yes, Ravi.
so fine now, guys. So come here, let's write it. Okay, so now this is the test case. Okay, so here creating the request, but right, first what we will do it now. First we have need to write the test method now. Test method, how we can write the test method now, guys? Public
Void.
void and come here, right?
Yes.
Come here,
Test.
get all. Where the get all
But
method?
method name.
Yeah, this is the right. So
This
what
one.
is the get all product,
Get
right? This
all
is the method.
product.
Test get all product.
Yeah,
Yes, Ravi.
Test.
sorry.
Get all product.
Test get all
At the
product.
rate of test.
Get all product.
Test get all.
At the rate of test.
Small kid, huh? Who's that? Like
My kids, sir.
okay, no issue, good, very good. Okay, so now here what will happen now? At the rate, if we want to make this method as what? Test method, then what annotation we will apply now? At the rate test,
At the
right?
test.
Fine now, guys. Okay, good. So our environment is ready now, so we have need to mock the object also now.
Yes, Ravi.
Okay, so but what is that? Which kind of request we
Slash
have?
all,
Yeah, sorry.
slash all.
Yes, but which kind of methodology we have need to make on this API?
Get method.
Get type.
Get
Get
method.
type.
Get it.
Get method.
Get a type.
Get it.
Yeah, hi. Yes. Sorry for the disturbance, guys. Okay, get all product, right? Get all product means what?
Yeah,
Which kind?
get
Which
method.
get, right? Come on.
Yes,
Yeah,
Ravi.
get method. Get method.
Okay,
Get
so
method.
now focus on this one, guys. Okay, now focus on this one, right? Now focus on this one. So okay, good. So what is that? Mock MVC request builder. What is the object name? What is the object name, guys? You guys only tell.
Mock MVC request builder.
Yeah, mock MVC request builder. Inside that, what get method is there na? Get method is there, right?
Yes.
Yes,
So
Ravi.
here what we will do it
Yes.
now, we will make that water request using this URL na.
All-
Come on. So here
Yes.
Yes,
just
yes.
be
You are-
here, no need HTTP localhost 9595, no need, guys. Just we need what from here to here itself only. Application product app only, right?
App product all.
Yeah. So here what we will do it now,
All.
just we will take this one and what now based on that what our mock object will create what one dummy object, right? Dummy request object. Okay, so find that here what we will do it now, guys. Mock
Mock
request
doubt.
build
request builder.
request
Okay. Yes.
request,
sir.
right? Fine.
REQ.
Ravi, sorry, I have small
Yes.
doubt.
Yes.
So that service has to be there in the server, right? To give the response.
Sorry.
No,
Service.
we are sending a URL, right? Product all slash all. So that service has to be there in the server, right?
Yeah, server only, right? So we are testing that controller itself only until unless if the service is not there, how we can test?
Okay.
No, still
Okay.
just again
We are
ask you.
developing, no, sir.
We already completed and we developed right inside that service class in the this is the layered application and our controller we are testing, right? In that controller our what service class is already dependent, right? Here what we made auto-wired using auto-wired in the controller.
Yes.
No, again
Okay.
ask you what is the your doubt, clearly ask.
No,
Sudhir, I will clarify that.
No, you said it is when we call that URL from our mock object, I mean mock class. So you said it will give dummy object, no? Dummy response.
Yes, it
dummy
will
response.
the dummy response. Why? Because without response we can't make the request to our controller. We can make it, no na, so we have need to create the one object, right? Then
No.
Yes.
Okay.
See this 1 minute, I will clarify.
What is his doubt?
Hmm.
Actually, in the previous case, without logic, we tested it, right? For
Yes.
add method.
Correct.
Yeah, now he got that doubt. Without writing that logic, can we test it here?
Without writing that logic we can test it means.
No, see Ravi, my doubt is now when you send a request, it will give the response. That is a normal scenario.
Yes.
Here in our mocking class, you are again calling the same service.
Where
But
I'm
it is
calling-
giving the dummy response you are saying.
Yes, because all things is dependent, right? Our container, right? No, so here based on this method only we will make the request, and what will happen now, because this we
It will
using
give
this
response.
yeah, it will activate our container, and our application only what will generate the object about this one, okay? And that one will create a separate, it will create in the memory object, right? In the memory one all dependent classes is there, whatever object is there, all object will generate, and those data will store in the one separate memory. And what we will happen now, and based on that one only we will check it.
Okay, okay, fine.
So okay, fine, right? So here what mock MVC request builder is there, right? So based on that mock MVC builder result, what we will do it now, we will reach to our what REST controller using what?
Yes, Ravi.
Using what? This URL. URL means path, right? So if we want to reach some person home, then we have need to address, right? Give the response, guys.
Yes.
Yes, Ravi.
So we need the address.
Yes, equal.
Similar way, what
Yes.
our project is running somewhere, right? Somewhere is nothing but in that environment only. So if we want to reach in the particular method, then what we will do it now, we need URI, right?
Yes, yes, we
Yes,
need
Ravi.
URI.
Yeah, so
Yes.
those URI we specify using what? Mock MVC request builder. And this mock MVC request
Okay.
builder return type is what? Return this mock MVC request builder will return what?
Mock MVC
Using,
request-
sorry, get method is there, right? Get method is there. Using what? Inside in which class now? Mock in which class? In which class? Mock MVC request builder. Inside that one what? Get method is there, right? And that one is what? Static method. Come on.
Mock
Yes.
Yes, Ravi.
And that method return type is what now, guys? Mock HTTP servlet request na request builder,
Mock-
right?
Let request.
Request builder.
Yes, yes.
Yes. So
Yes, sir.
then we will hold that one, right? Then we will hold that coming that request.
Request. Yes, Ravi.
Okay, so means what? These things we are constructing what? Just we are constructing what? Request things, request object, guys. Okay, just we are constructing what? Request object here. Just we are constructing what? Request object, right?
Yes, Ravi.
One. So here what we are doing now? Creating the request.
Request object.
Creating the request. Okay, next step what we will do it now, guys? Next step what we will do it now, we have need so mock MVC, right? So we have need to mock this object, right? When after then what we will do it now, we have need to what? We have need to mock the request, right? Whatever request is there, we have need to mock it. Means what? We have need to create the object also, right? Object is nothing but I said that, right? Dummy object. Then how this dummy object will create it now, guys? So for that we have need to auto wire what? We have need to auto wire what? Auto wire what? Mock MVC, right? Mock MVC. Private mock MVC object, right? Mock MVC object, right? Mock MVC object, right? So mock. Fine. So how we can, if the object is there, then how this object will come inside this class? We have need to make auto wiring, right?
Yes, Ravi.
Auto wired. Fine now, guys. So inside this one method is there, right? Inside this one what? One method is there, right? What is that? Perform, right? Perform. What operation we have need to perform? Request operation, right? Request. This request operation I have need to perform. So good. So come here. Next step is what? To
Mock MVC.
execute what? Request.
Request.
Execute request, right? So how we will execute our request? So what is that? MVC, right? MVC, mock MVC. We will take the reference of what? Inside that what? One method is there. What is the method name is what? Perform, right? What is the method name is what? Perform. Good. So inside that, this
Perform.
perform method argument is what? This request, guys. Okay, this request is the
Request.
argument it will take. And after then what? After taking this request, what is that? I need what? Return and return and return, right? And return that response, right? And the return this response. Then what is the return? What is the return type of this response now? What is the return type of this what? Method. So we seen that, guys. Okay, come here. Where that one? Yeah. What is the return type? MBC result. Sunil, please switch off your camera. Sunil, switch off your camera.
Mock HTTP server.
Hmm. Yeah, fine. And return, what it will return now, guys? What object? Now let's see the declaration of this method, right? So it will return what? MBC result na, come on.
MBC result.
Yes,
Yes,
and
sir.
return method is
This one will return what? MBC result itself only.
MBC
Fine.
result.
Yeah. So here we will hold that one. Okay. So what we are getting now? Result we are getting now. We are getting the result. Why this one is showing? Okay, it's throwing checked exception, guys. Okay, so we have need to handle it also. So fine, click here.
Yes, Ravi.
Yeah, it's throwing the checked exception. See this? We handled it. Okay, fine now. Okay, because checked exception we have need to handle explicitly, guys. Okay. So fine. Third step.
Yes,
What
Ravi.
is the third step now? What is the third step now, guys? So get the response, get the response result. Get what? Get the
Response result.
response result. Get the response or result. How we will get the response object? Now see this. If we want to get the response, right? If we want to get the response result from the MBC result, right? MBC result. See this? Focus on this area. If we want to get the MBC result, then what is the if we want to get the response result from the MBC result, then how? What is the method we will use? What method we will use now, guys? What method we will use?
Mock HTTP servlet response.
Response. Good. So which one we will use? This object we have
Second
need,
one.
right? We need what? This object. Come on, guys.
Yes,
that
Ravi.
responses.
Okay, so now fine now, guys. So here let's perform this operation also now. So okay, so where that, right? Inside that result, right? Inside that result, right? Result. Inside that result, one method is there. What is that? Get a response, right? What is the method name? Is what? Get a
Response.
get what? Get a why it's not showing? Oh, sorry. Not a request, result, right? The result, right? From the
Yes,
result dot what? Get a response. Get what? Response. Get response,
Third
right?
one.
And response.
Yes.
What is the return? What is the returning? This return response is returning what? Mock HTTP servlet
Mock
only,
HTTP
right?
servlet response.
Mock HTTP servlet is
Yes.
returning or
Yes,
not,
mock
guys? I'm showing,
Yes, Ravi. Hold.
guys,
Servlet response.
I'm showing based on that what? Based on what? based on our what API itself only. I'm opening the API also front of you
Okay.
guys only.
Yeah.
So now
Yes,
response
Response.
response, we are getting the response object, guys. Come on, we are getting the response
Yes, sir.
object.
Okay.
Fine,
Fine.
fine now, guys. So now from here onward we will check it, guys. Okay, we will perform the assert operation. So now here we will compare the object, then we can able to what using what assert API, what we are saying that our test case is failed or pass or not, we are checking that now.
Yes. Fill up
Yes, sir.
for checking.
So here what operation we are going to perform now? What operation? Assertion result, right? Assert result. We are asserting the result here. So how we are asserting now? So I want to check that, right? I want to check this one, right? What is that status code? What is the status code? 200 and a header content. All those things we will specify here itself only, right? So here what is that? Assert equals, right? Assert equals, this method is there, right? Come on. So first
Sorry.
what what we will do it now, guys. So still our application is running now. I'm stopping our application. See this, I'm stopping the application now, guys. See this, I stopped our application. Now if you want to make the request, then we will get the blank page. See, last time I'm refreshing now. See, unable to connect now means what? Our application in stop mode now. Come on, guys.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Okay, fine. So now come in the application. Okay, so what is the expectation? What is the expectation, right? Expected value is okay. Okay means what? 200, right? So how we are writing now? HTTP status, right? HTTP status dot okay. Okay, right? Okay. If we write okay, guys, okay. If we write just okay, then what we will get it now? This enum we will get, right? This is the
200.
This one we will get, right? Okay, we will get, but we need what? This 200 code, 200 also, right?
Okay.
So for that,
Yes, 200. Yes, sir.
dot value, right? For
Yeah,
that
to
one
write
method is there,
200.
dot value. We will write that means what?